Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is a video about ticker symbol SOLO, Solo for Electromechanica. I made a video on this particular stock, I think in January 7th, and after making the video, we had some very good run. I think all of us made some money. So if you want to go through about the company, then I suggest please go through my channel playlist and find the video. I talked about why I'm bullish on this particular stock and what was coming. But in general, if you do not know about this stock, just a very quick overview on. So in the picture you can see the red nice color. It's a three-wheeler car, so basically you have two wheels and front and one wheel here, and it's an electric vehicle, or some people can say like electric motorcycle. And the good thing is about this particular one is for commuting, because like most of the time people commute like, and you are the single person in the car. So when you drive an electric car, and this is a one-seater by the way, so for commuting I think this is a good one. This is electric, you do not need to buy fuel. At the same time, the purchase price is way cheaper than other electric vehicle. And please check my previous video because it has more information on this particular stock. So this video is not about going through about the company, rather talking about the price action and what should be we doing to gain some profit. Just a quick thing, if you go to Nasdaq, they have a strong buy rating, and also the high of 12 and the average price is like $9.5. Currently we are sitting below $8. So let's look at the chart now. So I'm showing you the daily chart, and you can see like it's a pattern, it's a bound within a pattern, and it's a little bit bull pattern. So we can see like we are going up slowly, but we are going up. We had a high of $14, close to $14, then we came down, then since then we are going sideways, and now recently we are going higher. So a couple of things here. So whenever we went up, we hit that black line, came back, and again we are going up. Hopefully we will go up. So let's look at the daily MACD and RSI. So you can see that like we hit here, then we came down, again we hit here, you can correspond here, then we came here, and most of the time the RSI never went below 50, and currently I think the RSI is around 49. So maybe we will go again, we will hit the RSI of 70 something, then we will come back again. Also look at the MACD, the blue line here is currently here, but maybe in next few days we can go and we can curl back, same thing, we can curl back and we can go RSI of 70, then we can come back. Now let's look at the chart, why I'm saying it will come back. So let's see some of the things. Like when we talked about this stock, like most of the time, like when there is a falling wedge, there is a breakout, it goes fast, then it cools off again. If you look here, then it went off, and the same thing, I think what I'm looking now, something like this, right? So this is what I'm looking now. So why I'm saying it might come back, it might hit that particular black line or in that area, that it will bounce back, and we might take few more days, then we will break out again. And looking at the RSI and the MACD, I think we will go sideways for a few days, then we will break out again. So it might be a good opportunity to get into the stock before making some movement, so we can all get some profit. So let's draw some support and resistance, and I'm gonna use red color, let's say. So let's see, red. So if I zoom out, I think one of the line is right here, right? Let's change the color to red. I don't know which one would be better. Let's make it green then. Okay. So this one a previous resistance, then we broke that resistance, and you see like in few days we came here, we bounced off that particular line, and again the day before we came and bounced off that particular line, which is around 7.65, 7.7, close, you know like 7.7 ish. So if we come down, we might hit that line again and go up, or who knows, we will just keep going. Let's draw one more line, I think around, yeah, maybe around here. You can see like 1 2 3 3 times it came down and it bounced off. So if there is a heavy sell off in the morning, for last few days we have found that in the morning the whole SPY, that sector came down, it bounced off. So maybe it comes down, maybe it comes to like $7.1. Set a limit buy order so that you can grab some share, and you can see it came down for those days, like it came down and it went up. Same thing, a long week. So maybe set around 7.15 or 7.2 is your call, but set a limit buy order in case it comes here. On the other side, if I look not the support, the resistance here, maybe around $9.2. We hit once and 3 times. So yeah, 9.2, or if I look further, maybe around 9.7. So in a nutshell, I see the pattern, the stock is coming down and close to the bottom of our pattern, so it might come down to 7.6 or maybe 7.2. Grab some share and ride the wave, and it might go to 9.2, 9.7 or even higher. If you're long term, I think this stock will go even more than $10, $15. But anyway, for short term and near term traders, look at the lines and make up your mind. So I'm gonna remove these lines so that you get a better view. So 7.7, 7.2 is your support, and 9.2 and 9.7 is your resistance. So keep in mind. Also look at the option. So if I'm looking at March 19th, and the call option for 7.5 strike is $180, not that expensive. The IV is 166% and the delta is 64. If you believe it will bounce back, then maybe you can grab some call option, maybe for $6 or maybe for $7.5. So by March it will go high for sure. And if you want to give it some more time, maybe choose April 1st, and let's see how is like it becomes $222. So again, up to you, but personally for me, I'll choose the March 19th expiry, and maybe I'll take $7.5 strike, and I will just pay $180. So I know like by March 19th, I'm expecting the stock will just reverse from here and it will go back to 9 at least. So when I think it will go to 9, then you see like 7.5 plus 1.8, like 9.3. So by March 19th, if it goes to 9.3, then I'll make some profit. So anyway, so we talked about this stock before, we made some money, so I thought maybe now this is a good time to buy the share or option, because I think it will bounce back soon. So that was the main purpose for this particular video. If you find the information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I have a Twitter page, Facebook page, and also a link for Interactive Broker, also for TradingView for charting. You can use those links and we can all get some benefit from using those links. Anyway, thank you my friends, take care, peace.